Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4S and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the controls menu on the screen. Once you see the controls menu, you should see a bunch of icons. And one of them should look like the sun icon, this one. This is the screen brightness or backlight brightness icon. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the brightness of the backlight by tapping on the icons on the top and the bottom of the screen. So adjust the brightness, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. Like this. And that's how you adjust the backlight or screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.